So, ngayon, short-term business statistics at yung economic sentiment indicator. So, yung short business statistics, yun daw yung mga indicators na nagtatrack ng business cycle ng isang economy. Kumbaga, tinatrack nun yung business cycle sa buong economy ba sa isang country. Tinatrack niya yung business cycle ng buong country. Ba dito sa Pilipinas. Pag sinabi mong short-term business statistics, yung business cycle, yun ang tinitignan nun. Business cycle. Kumbaga parang partner ito ng structural business statistics. Kasi sa structural business statistics, mini-measure naman nun yung performance ng business cycle ng isang business economy. So, yun. Yung economic sentiment indicators o yung ESI na tinatawag, yun daw binubuo ng 5 confidence indicators. Ano tong mga confidence indicators na to? Industrial confidence, construction confidence, services confidence, consumer confidence, and retail trade confidence. So, ang meaning ng confidence indicators is based dun sa surveys. Okay, tinitignan nito yung mga business surveys, dahil sa pagtatanong o pag-i-interview sa mga business enterprises about their economic situation. So, yun. So, ito yung sinasabi nilang economic sentiment indicator. Ito yung mga indicators na kung saan pinapakita yung every aspect ng economy. Kasi industrial, construction, services, consumer, at saka retail trade. So, yun is component ng isang business economy. So, ano yung situation ng economy na yun? Pag pinag-uusapan yung economic sentiment indicator. Kumbaga, kung may emotion yung economy, yun yung emotion niya kasi sentiment eh. Ano yung sitwasyon niya currently? So, yun lang po.